Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and welcome back to Ramadan series Al-Sirat Al-Mustaqeem. Today we want to talk about the humanity in general. Yesterday we spoke about people as individuals, including ourselves. Today we want to talk about An-Nas, mankind in general, the people that we know. One of the things that is a desire for the human is to be famous, to be known, to be recognized wherever they go. Even though if many people know you, they cannot help you and they probably envy you for what you have, but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wants to stop this feeling and urge in us that we want to impress people, and we want the confirmation of people, and we want people to be happy with us, and we want to please them. And it is a goal that is never attained. No matter what you do, you will not be able to satisfy everyone in this world. Now, few facts Allah told us about people in general that we want to share from Al-Quran Al-Kareem. 3 statements. وَلَكِنَّ أَكْثَرَ النَّاسِ لَا يُؤْمِنُونَ وَلَكِنَّ أَكْثَرَ النَّاسِ لَا يَعْلَمُونَ وَلَكِنَّ أَكْثَرَ النَّاسِ لَا يَشْكُرُونَ. Most people will not choose faith. So choose faith and stick yourself to it and move on. Because if you're waiting for the masses to confirm your choices, it's not going to happen. Most people will not choose it because they will not see their interest in it. Most people want instant gratification. Right here, right now, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala builds us on the long run to get the ultimate prize in Jannat al-Na'im, insha'Allah. And most people will not be thankful to Allah or to you. So instead of, chasing people and their approval, they will not be thankful, nor they will give you their approval. وَلَكِنَّ أَكْثَرَ النَّاسِ لَا يَشْكُرُونَ وَلَكِنَّ أَكْثَرَ النَّاسِ لَا يُؤْمِنُونَ. And the third one, most people do not know. You see, people sometimes portray themselves like they know what they're talking about, but most of the time they have no clue. They're busy with their life. They're busy with their jobs and with their families and with their pleasure and whatever they built in their mind for themselves. And they have no time for you. So you better invest in yourself and improve yourself, insha'Allah Rabbil Alameen. Now, having said that, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala instructs us in the Quran to choose our friends carefully and to stay away from people that will mislead us from the path of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, one of you will have the same faith as his friend or companion, close friend. So let one of you choose his friend carefully. You see, I have seen it again and again and again, that sometimes there's a very good person that living a good life. Then someone comes in their life, their bad influence, their bad news. And this person suddenly becomes attracted to this other person, and they see them confident, daring, all out, and they say, look at me, my life is boring. I need to just accompany this person for more fun and to get more out of life and more excitement. They don't realize that people who portray confidence on the outside, usually from inside they're hiding so much. And they don't realize that these people that are popular and up there and doing everything, they usually don't care about you, and they don't have time to care about you or about your friendship. And the third thing that people don't realize, that when you accompany someone, even though you're not very close to them, whatever they're doing rubs on you, and whatever their habits become your habits. Their way of thinking becomes your way of thinking. The way of talking and walking and interacting becomes your way of talking and walking. Why do you want that for yourself? Now, many times you don't realize that these people that you're looking up to and you want their company, they're actually jealous of you. What are they jealous of? They see you simple, living in peace, having good time with so little. You don't need much to have a good time. And You have a focus, you have a purpose and a goal. So they want to take that away from you. I've also seen it with my own eyes. People who have chosen the wrong path in life, when they see someone who's pure and good, it's like it becomes a threat to them. And they start feeling, what do you think? You're better than me? What do you think? You're an angel and I'm the devil? I'm going to rip that innocence out of you. I'm going to rip that goodness and righteousness of you. And I'm going to prove to you that you are as evil as me. I have seen many people go and destroy other people's of life just because they're jealous of them. So be careful of who your company is. And lastly, when you see people that do whatever they want, maybe you are in high school or college, and you see them, they're not studying, they're just having good time, and now they're influencing you to live your life like them. Let me tell you something, people like that never go anywhere in life. And if you meet them after 10 years, you will find yourself so much ahead in life and they're still where you left them. Therefore, stay focused. As the Prophet ﷺ said, 𝗓ِص عَلَى مَا يَنْفَعُكَ. Be keen to attain that which benefits you. Look at what benefits you and be keen to achieve it and attain it. Your benefit is with Allah. Your benefit is with copying the life of the Prophet ﷺ. Your benefit is with the believers. Your benefit in you studying and gaining knowledge, the knowledge of this world and the knowledge of the hereafter. Your benefit is in working hard, in making wealth and spending from that wealth for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Your benefit is in bonding with the good people and doing good things in the name of Allah for the sake of Allah. May Allah Azza wa Jal bring in our lives good people that will have a beautiful, long-lasting influence, and may Allah protect us from bad company and from the negative influence of the masses. Ameen ya Rabbal Alameen.